Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got another gist for you. This time around, it's no other person but our own boy. No, it's not a boy, it's a guy. Ayodeji Balogun, popularly known as Wizkid Starboy. Yes, the Grammy Award-winning stars and songwriter has announced that now, yes, it now charges $1 million to perform on stage, which is approximately a huge sum of 600 million naira per day. Hi, God, why? Why me? Oh, when is my own turn? Oh, come on, relax. Your own time is coming. Your own time is coming. The guy revealed on his Instagram page just yesterday, on Tuesday, April 26, 2022, that now to perform is going to charge $1 million. Yes, and he's going to be performing at Rolling Loud 2022 in Toronto. Starboy, keep doing us proud. Oh God, when is my own time coming? When me I'll be charging $1 million. Okay, your time is coming. Okay, so that is that about Wizkid. That's the new update about him now. So for you, if you want to invite Wizkid to come to your show, or to come to your event, or to come and sing for you on your birthday, now you know that you need to have money. $600 million. I mean, $1 million. That is about 600 million naira Nigerian money. So you have to sit tight. Okay, that's it, guys.